Welcome to Hollis and Nancy's Homestead. My name is Nancy, and our vision is to inspire healthier families. Today, we're going to make juicy, crunchy, fried chicken breast using an air fryer. Now, my husband, Hollis, he loves fried chicken. His parents are all from the South, and everything they cook is fried. Another thing, though, he didn't like fried chicken breast. And we're planning to have a lot of chickens around here. So I had two problems. One is he liked things fried, which takes a lot of oil, and it's not as good for him. Two, he didn't like chicken breast. So I came up with a solution that works for us. Now I'm using what is known as an air fryer that I bought over a year ago, and I've been experimenting with different recipes. And this one, he really, really loves. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is make a spice mix. You need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. Now you have an option to add like a hot pepper or chili pepper. Next, we're going to prep the chicken. You're going to trim off any excess fat. Wash it well. Now pat it dry. In a bowl, 3 bowls, first bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of Panko breadcrumb. Makes it extra crispy, and 1/3 of seasoning mix, and 2 tablespoons of peanut or vegetable oil. I like peanuts, and you mix it well. In a second bowl, you're going to add 2 eggs, and 1/3 of the spice mix, and you're going to mix that well. On the third bowl, you're going to add a half a cup of flour to about a cup, but half a cup should be enough, and then 1/3 of a spice mix. I'm going to mix that well. Then you're going to dip the chicken in the flour. Then put it in the egg mix. Then put it in the Panko mixture. Make sure it gets it on there real good. And knock off any residue when you take it out. And you do it for each one of those. That makes it extra crunchy. Next, you're going to set up the air fryer, preheat, put a foil to make it easy cleanup, and spray with oil. 15 minutes for 400 degrees. And it's going to cook for 10 minutes. And we can look at Ludi. He's so handsome. Here's my little boy. He likes to guard everything around the house. He's just checking everything out while we're waiting for it to cook 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, you're going to flip it over to the other side. And then you're going to cook it for 5 more minutes. And look how crispy it looks. Make sure it's over 165. You have to make sure. And look how gorgeous it looks. That's how beautiful it looks. Done. Look how moist and juicy that is. It's so tender. And it's so crunchy. You get that really satisfying, crunchy, crispy flavor. Wow, It's so crunchy on the outside and crispy and moist and tender on the inside. You and your family's going to love it. I know I love it, and Hollis loves it. I love my air fryer. Also, we're going to put the list of the ingredients right here. And we're also going to put the helpful hints and we're going to put it on our Facebook page and our community tab on our YouTube. Now, I bought this air fryer because it was in my budget, and also it had some good reviews. Now, there are literally hundreds of different air fryers, and you could check out the reviews, but I'm going to list some of them below, so that way it would narrow your search. Now, I would recommend this for a small family of 2 or 4, but if you need a lot more food cooked at the same time, I would recommend a bigger air fryer, and I'm going to list those below also. As you know, the goal of our homestead is to eat 90% of the foods that we produce here. So we're going to be doing a lot of cooking around here, especially canning, cooking, preserving, etc. So come and join us on our journey. And it must be all delicious for us to do that. And thank you for watching this video. We love making it. And if you like this video, please share this video, like it, and subscribe. And by His hand we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.